Good guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a look inspired by Michaela Jane off TikTok. Just this look right here actually. Yeah, and I'm gonna do it using my CXC peel porn off the CXC Beauty. What's this one called? This is the Bloom Struck Palette. I'm going to be using the purples, and I really want to use this mint green. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So I'm going to use some of this. What's that purple called? Wolfsbane. So basically I'm going to use some purples and greens because it's me and I can't turn it down really. So yeah, I'm going to go away and do my base, do all that sort of thing, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I think I've got there. Okay, so first what we're going to do, I've only used 3 colours out of this palette. I've used literally these 3 here. So, these 3. Right. Oh, I also used the shade Freedom from Equality palette. What we're going to do first is... I don't know what lash this is. This is the sample I got. I thought, it might do. So first thing I'm going to do is go in with some Star Gem Cosmetics. What do you call this? Mother of Pearl Color Corrector. Technically, it's actually probably too thick to use on the eye, but I did anyway. Don't judge. Thank you. I'm just going to buff that out with a clean little concealer buffer. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set this with a little bit of the translucent powder, only because it's so, like, it's already creased. And I'm really not interested in having creasy base. That should do it. Right. So the first shade I'm going to go into is called Wolfsbane. And I'm going to pick it up on like a little fluffy packer, if that makes sense. And what I'm going to do is literally just push it on. I don't know the camera lights. Let me turn them down again to see if that works. To show the depth, actual depth of it. So I'm going to just push that onto the eye there. I've used the wrong brush for this. Then what I'm going to do in the corner is just... Right, I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Foxglove, which is the sort of lilac-y lavender colour. Just going to start diffusing that outer edge here. There's a fair amount of blending in this, sorry. The CXC shadows are beautiful. They blend so gorgeously. Just using a very gentle touch. Yeah, they're looking good. So I'm going to go back in with the Wolfsbane. And kind of use that to kind of diffuse that even more. I'm using a small fluffy brush. Perfect. And back into my blending brush, wherever I just put it down there. Now I'm going to take this tiny little brush and dip into Freedom. Pretty sure it's Freedom. And just use this to just deepen up that sort of outer corner area. Then back in with that brush. We're not looking for no harsh lines up in here. It's just to deepen that outer corner bit. This lighting in this, my camera lights are really harsh, so they're probably not doing it any justice. I'm just going to take that under the waterline, just in the first, or the outer quarter here. To marry those two together. I'm going to take that, whatever's left on that little brush I used for the black, and just along the lash line I'm going to run that, and marrying those two together, of course. Super simple, this look. Perfect. Now I'm going to cut the crease because that's the fun bit. And for that I'm going to use a Q-tip or a cotton bud or a whatever you want to call those things. With a little bit of micellar water. I know a lot of people go, oh, I don't like that, it doesn't work. And they say use Vaseline, but I ain't got Vaseline. Right. Easy as that. Now I'm going to go in with some Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Halo. Oh my god. Yeah, so in the shade... I'm going to cut that bit out. Okay, so I've cut the crease, I've done all that. Now I'm going to get a really flat packing brush and go into the shade Sprout, which is that mint green. It's gorgeous. And I'm just literally going to pack that onto that white where I put where I've cut the crease there. Just packing that on. Are there any other indie brands you want me to try? I have looked at some. I ordered some from an indie brand, and when it all came, it was broken, and the only response I got was, "Oh no." It wasn't until I actually said to them, "So what are you going to do about it? Like, how are we going to rectify this situation?" It's like, "Oh well, do you want a refund then?" And yeah, no, I haven't actually had anything to do with that brand since. Right. I freaking love this color combo. It is so pretty. I'm going to go in with some liner now. I'm going to use the CXC Beauty liner. It's double tip. So you got a thin pointy. And you got a... No, sorry, thin pointy. The other one's fat. So I'm going to go in with this and create a liner. I'm going to say it does. Here you go. Let me move over here. And I've got a picture just here. So side by side. I think they look pretty good. I've got to say, CXC Beauty, boys, you did that. Your formula is beautiful. These colours are gorgeous. I'm going to probably do another look using some of the pinks and yellows and all the other stuff, because I really like that. I want to try some of their shimmers too. That's definitely a plus. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if there's anybody else you want me to kind of see if I can recreate, because yeah, I'm not that great, but okay. I'm gonna try and do some Blend Beast Adam ones. I've got a few of them I want to recreate. I even thought about just trying to see if I can do the Norvina one, the purple and pink thing. Yeah, so let me know what you think. But yeah, until next time, have a great day, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.